What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Jailbreak Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I'm gonna show you an amazing tweak that you must download. This tweak brings a new experience to notifications by makes it easier than ever to access all your notifications from anywhere in iOS. As you see, a status bar icon lets you know that you have notifications waiting for you, and a quick tab reveals an elegant and intuitive menu for you to easily view, open and dismiss any of your notifications. With this amazing tweak, it allows you to keep your status bar neat, tidy, and Minotaur's handy gestures for dismissing notifications makes clearing large numbers of notifications a breeze. This tweak is represented by a notification bell icon in the status bar. This tweak comes with a large number of customization options to ensure it never looks out of place. These include dark or light mode, adaptive badge coloring, hide banner notifications, and many more. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra Store or Sileo Store or whatever you are using. I will open Zebra Store. Go to the sources here and make sure to add Havoc repo. After adding the repo, go to the search here and search for Minotaur tweak. And as you can see, this is the tweak. Minotaur tweak, as I said, will bring a new experience to notifications by makes it easier than ever to access all your notifications from anywhere in iOS. Just a quick tab reveals an elegant and intuitive menu for you to easily view, open and dismiss any of your notifications. As you see, this tweak will make the notifications much easier to use. Minotaur was designed to provide a new way of viewing and interacting with missed notifications to your iPhone. It works by letting users quickly view and manage missed notifications via a convenient, lightweight interface that lives in your handset status bar. The Minotaur interface is represented by a notification bell icon in the status bar. Upon interacting with it, you will instantaneously see a Priority Hub style collection of missed notifications grouped by app. You can then tap on specific apps to view their missed notifications and swipe on them to clear them from view if necessary. Okay, now just go ahead and install it. Hit modify, hit install, press here, now hit confirm. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to customize the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. Okay, this is the tweak. It has some options to customize. I'm gonna quickly explain all the options in the tweak. So the first one we have here is UI style. This option allows you to use dark mode. This is the dark mode or light mode, and this is the light mode. I prefer to use the dark mode, so I will use it. In the second option here, you can choose how to clear the notifications. You can clear any app notification just by swipe the icon up or down. It is that simple. For me, I will keep it swiped down. In badge coloring style option, you can choose between red, adaptive or color badge style badge coloring. So if you choose the red style, the notifications will look like this with a red background. And if you choose adaptive style, it will look like this, the same as icon color. Okay, I prefer to use the red style, so I will keep it red. In icon position option, you can change the bell from right to left. I like it to be on the right side. In general option here, you have more ways to customize the tweak. You can enable color banners coloring, replace the status bar's location services indicator with the monitor icon, hide banner notifications from popping up system-wide, hide Minotaur when recording your screen, remove notification from lock screen, disable Minotaur when locked, and finally send a test notification to view your changes. If you want to send a test notification, make sure to install Lib Notification Tweak. Just go to Zebra or Sileo Store, then go to the search and search for Lib Notification. And this is the tweak. Go ahead and install it. After installing it, just respring your device to apply the changes. It's worth noting right off the bat that Minotaur doesn't replace the native notification sensor interface, but rather works as its own separate extension. Changes made to missed notifications in Minotaur, such as reading or deleting said notifications, are reflected in the notification sensor interface and vice versa. It's a really beautiful tweak, just give it a try. Minotaur tweak supports all iPhones running iOS 13 and above. So guys, this is our video for today. As always, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more jailbreak tweaks videos, and peace.